friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Genesis Irid 505 White ARGB case. So friend, the design and functionalities of the Irid 505 White ARGB mid-tower PC case will satisfy each and every user. And friend, you can personalize the colors and illumination style thanks to the ARGB lighting system. And friend, the White ARGB is equipped with perforated front while the side panel is made of hardened glass. And friend, this way user can showcase the interior of their build and look at the installed component. And friend, the wide design and the awesome ARGB illumination make the case the best possible choice for demanding user. And friend, it allows user to connect as many as 5 SSD drives. And friend, apart from that, you can install 2 SDD drives or additional 2 SSD drives. And friend, in order to provide maximum comfort and convenience of use, the front of the case is equipped with 2 USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0 port as well as 2 HD audio jacks. And friend, the case is equipped with a set of anti-dust filters, numerous cable channels and ample space behind the motherboard tray to facilitate proper cable placement. And friend, inside you will also find 4 ARGB 120mm fans. And friend, the user can install 2 additional fans including a 140mm one in the front and the top. And friend, the extension sockets of the Irid 505 White ARGB case are equipped with screw plug which can be reused. And friend, the use of the slot in technology without any need of any tool. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.